Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am not going to show you any drawing tips and tricks. I just want to share you, if you are going to start your drawings, then you can start with this type of notebook because this is very cheap. This cost me 15 rupees only, and see the paper quality. It's not that much high quality like A4 size sheets. So at the beginning stage you can do your work or practice on this type of notebooks. I have also purchased this notebook for the sake of the video, and I'll also practice here. And you know, this papers are little rough. It should not be smooth enough. That is also cost around 20 to 15 rupees only with this much thickness. And I'll recommend you that you should not go for high quality paper or A4 size paper. And one more thing, if you are going to draw on A4 size directly, then your mind and you will feel like it's a good paper and your hand will not flow freely. But here you can do any type of drawing and you will not concentrate on the paper, rather on your drawing. So I'll recommend you to do drawing in these type of notebooks. See, very easily you can do. Even if you are doing any mistakes also, that will not cost you that much, because these are very cheap, very less in price, so you don't have to bother about this. And why I'm telling you to buy this type of notebook, because you can see gradually how you are improving. You can notice it after completing this notebook. You'll get to know how's the improvement day by day. So every day you put the date over here and start, and try to do at least 2 to 3 pages, or maybe 5. You can increase gradually. And it's not about you can do only character designing and all. Just try to do some different things also, like objects, any type of objects. You need to make your hand free by drawing something. It's not like shapes and the like this type of designs. It's not like that. Just do something out of the shapes. Do something out of, like some meaning should be there, so you can see what you are doing day by day. Slowly you will observe that your mind is also opening and you are doing something new. practice, you can practice your sketches without any limitations or without any boundaries, like you can do anything, but some meaningful drawing practice. And you can, if you are not getting the shape, then you can try many times to get the shape. I'll give you some practices to do, and yeah, purchase this type of notebook which is very cheap, and go for it, and just do it quickly as soon as possible. And one more thing you have to do, every day you need to practice line, and I have told you this, and this line practice horizontal, vertical line in newspaper, not this paper. This is not that much rough also. In this you can draw, you can judge it out like how you are drawing. In newspaper, why I'm telling, there is no need of judging how you are drawing, because you need to practice. You need to give your hand freeness what your mind is thinking, like the mind and the hand should connect so that you can draw what your mind is thinking. For that reason you need to practice lines and circles, ovals, aid, and make your hand free. In newspaper only you can do that. Why to waste this type of papers? So yeah, see, even if you are practicing and your paper is getting spoiled, also not an issue. If you are drawing anything on this paper, which is like very rough paper, yeah, go for it and show me your drawings. Send your drawings in rkart83@gmail.com. okay, that I'll give you in my description. Yeah, that's it for now, and keep practicing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.